Let's take a look at this Mustang here. Unique, especially in classics. It's a 2007 Shelby GT Mustang. This particular one, number 420 in the sequential production number. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed miles. A little over 30,000 on this one is all. Obviously the white with silver stripe combination. Billet grill, hood pins, and of course the hood scoop. All Shelby items. 4.6 liter. V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you check out all the still pictures. Riding on the correct polished 5-spoke wheels. If we take a look down the passenger side of this car, you can see that it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Paint shows well on it. If you're familiar with these cars, you know how the stripes can get pasty, maybe from the sun or some fade. These have a nice shine to them. Appear to have been redone. Look good. Aftermarket Clarion stereo system has been installed. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. Appears that Flowmaster exhaust has been added, judging by the tips. Of course, Shelby would take these, change the ride height of them with the shock and strut rate. Of course, they're flash tuned to add horsepower, cold air intake. Suspension components, sway bars underneath. You can see the underside pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com. Of course, this cosmetic things that Shelby did. Nice handling, fun driving cars, no doubt about that. Let's take a little closer look at this side because this car is so clean. You can see not full of nicks, dings, or scratches down the driver's side here either. Let's go ahead and take a look at this interior. Dark charcoal interior. Take a look at the door panels. Inserts look good. If you're familiar with those at all. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seat, driver's side. And you can see leather wearing nicely. Really not much wear at all, considering a little over 30,000 miles. Shows well. The center console, and of course that 5-speed transmission. Let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. I'm going to check out the exact miles for you too. I think it was 30,942 maybe. There it is, 30,942. It's a good sounding car also. All right, gauge is all working. No check engine lights, warning indicators, anything like that. One of the Shelby dash plates. Again, stating the production number of it. Clarion stereo system is working. Good. No surprises on the interior. And remember, we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Can't make it to see this car yourself. Want somebody to take a peek at it for you? Not a problem. But remember, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed miles. Try to represent these as fairly as possible with all the pictures that are taken, the walk-around video like this. Like I said earlier, good sounding car. At the end of this too, stick around. There'll be a driving video with this car so you can kind of see what it's like to go down the road in it. Take a virtual ride in it, so to speak. We slip up to the front, we'll take these hood pins out, and we're going to pop that hood, check out the engine bay. There we go, hood propped open. You can see hood liner nice and clean. This car hasn't been driven in inclement weather, no doubt about that. Engine bay, also nice and tidy. Ford Racing cold air intake installed at Shelby. Radiator support plate. It's going to match the numbers on the interior. Of course, the strut tower brace, Ford Racing also. Installed at Shelby. Sounds good, looks good underneath here. And remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pictures. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2007 Ford Mustang. This is a Shelby. This is a 5-speed manual on the center console. Got a nice look to it, white with silver stripes and scoop. I had the window down. If you heard that noise, that was just the wind noise because the window was down. Nice quiet ride in this Mustang. Factory looking stereo, working well. This is actually a Clarion aftermarket stereo. Blower motor works, our gauges are all working. This car is showing 30,945 miles currently. This car stays perfectly straight in the lane. Nice short throw on the shifter. Perfect size ball shifter handle. It's a very comfortable car to drive. Looks like leather bucket seats. Acceleration is good, as you would expect. Nice looking black interior. We have the Shelby insignia here, and it's the number of Shelby is 420. If you want to learn more about this car, check it out on our website, uniqueclassiccars.com, where you can see pictures of underneath, under the hood, and everywhere in between.